Okay. On 5. Hi, I'm Luke.
I'm Aaron.
And I'm David.
And my book is about the Lamborghini. And one fact about the Aventador is that its top speed is 217 miles per hour. And it has a V12 engine and 691 horsepower. And it can reach 60 miles per hour and 97 kilometers in just 2.9 seconds.
I'm reading about the Ferrari, and the Ferrari Enzo on the cover can go up to 220 miles per hour and can reach from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3 seconds.
I'm reading about Corvettes, and the car on the cover is the VR1, and it was made in 2012, and it can go up to 205 miles per hour, and it can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 3.4 seconds. That's fast.